Myself, Satbir Singh, Managing Director of Lark Engineering Company. We are participating in this exhibition second time. Last time also we have made a good exhibition here and we have got very huge response. And this time also we have decided to display our products in this exhibition. And this time we have displayed a 10 metric ton per hour pellet mill with the centralized lubrication system and the complete pellet plant model we have also displayed. And we have got a huge response for the pellet projects, and already we have recently finalized the projects with the world leaders, Venky's India Limited. And as far as the manufacturing of pellet dies is concerned, 1 year back we have installed the pellet die unit by importing a machine from Germany, and with the response, and we are already now the preferred vendor for the so many companies like Venky's, Shoguna, and local big manufacturers. And right now we are importing our second gun drilling machine of very high capacity to cater the growing needs for the pellet dies. And I would like all the poultry farmers and the feed mill users to give us the try for our dies and the pellet machines. The use of this product is that we can produce the high quality hygienic feed, and definitely it will give a boost to the poultry industry in India. By the use of these machines we can produce very high quality feed. It will give the better performance of animals, the animal growth, and overall performance of your feed mill, and the acceptability of your feed is greatly improved by the use of these machines. As far as we know, the feed constitutes the 80% of the the 80% cost of the animal farming, for whether it is a poultry farm or a cattle. So the quality of feed that decides your direct profitability. So there are two things only. One is the formulation, and the second is the how best we can process it. The formulation we can do, but for the processing you need a quality machines. With the quality machines we can produce the high quality feed, and that is the key to better performance of your poultry farm or feed mill, and key to your success. And I would like that you must give a try to our machines to see the difference. For more information you can log on to our website www.larkengco.com. You can also send your inquiries at info@larkengineeringcompany.com, and our contact numbers 01732 254 685 259 685. Thank you.